Welcome back to Daily English Chat. I'm Mark.
And I'm Lisa. Today, we have a simple and useful conversation for beginners.
Yes, today's topic is phone call conversation.
We'll practice how to speak politely on the phone.
We'll speak slowly and clearly.
And we'll keep every line easy to understand.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy our conversation.
Let's begin. Hello?
Hi, Lisa. This is Mark. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, Mark, I can hear you clearly. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Nice. Are you busy right now?
Not really. I have a few minutes.
Perfect. I wanted to ask you about today's meeting.
Sure. What do you need to know?
What time does the meeting start?
It starts at 3 p.m.
Okay, 3 p.m. Got it.
Do you need the location too?
Yes, please.
The meeting is in the small conference room on the second floor.
Great. Thank you.
No problem.
Should I bring anything?
Just your notes and your laptop.
All right, that's easy.
Yes, nothing complicated.
By the way, how long will the meeting last?
I think about 1 hour.
That's good. Why do you ask?
I have another task after the meeting.
I see. Don't worry, it should be short.
Perfect. Anything else you want to ask?
Yes, just one more thing.
Go ahead.
Who will lead the meeting today?
Sarah will lead it.
Oh, okay.
She prepared everything.
That's great.
She will explain the new project plan.
Good to know.
Are you excited?
A little bit.
Only a little?
Yes, just a little.
I understand.
Thank you for all the information.
You're welcome.
By the way,
Yes?
is Sarah joining online or in person?
She's joining in person.
Oh, that's helpful.
Yes, she prefers physical meetings.
Same here. They feel more productive.
True.
Okay, just making sure.
No problem.
Lisa, can I ask one more question?
Of course.
Do I need to prepare any slides?
No, not today. Today is more of a discussion.
Oh, that sounds easy.
Yes, very easy.
Perfect.
Anything else on your mind?
Actually, yes.
You have many questions today.
Sorry.
No worries. Ask.
What should I wear?
Good question. Just wear something simple and professional.
Like a shirt and trousers?
Exactly.
Great.
Don't stress about it.
I won't.
Good.
Thank you so much for your help.
Anytime, Mark.
I really appreciate it.
Happy to help.
All right, I won't take more of your time.
It's okay.
I'll let you get back to your work.
Thank you.
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.
That was the first part of our phone call conversation.
In the next part, we'll practice another phone situation.
This time, asking for help with a problem.
Stay with us.
Let's continue.
Starting part 2 now.
Get ready.
Let's go.
And don't forget to repeat after us if you want to practice.
Repeating helps you learn faster.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's begin part 2.
Here we go.
Phone rings again.
New situation
New problem.
and new phrases.
Let's start.
Part 2 starts now.
Hello, this is Lisa.
Hi, Lisa. It's Mark again.
Oh, hey, Mark. What's up?
Sorry to call you again.
No problem at all.
I need a little help with my laptop.
Sure. What happened?
It won't turn on.
Did you charge it?
Yes, the charger's plugged in.
Is the charger light on?
No, I don't see any light.
Okay, that might be the problem.
What should I do?
Try unplugging the charger and plugging it in again.
Okay, 1 second. All right, I plugged it in again.
Any light now?
Yes, the light is on now.
Great. Now, press the power button.
Okay. Yes, it's turning on.
Perfect.
Wow, that was easy.
Sometimes the small things cause the biggest problems.
Very true.
Anything else you're having trouble with?
Actually, yes.
You again.
Sorry.
It's fine. What else?
I can't find the meeting link.
Oh, that's simple. Check your email.
I did.
Check your spam folder.
Oh, I didn't check that.
Many emails hide there.
Let me look. Yes, I found it in spam.
See?
You saved me again.
Happy to help.
You're like my tech support.
You again.
How much?
1 cup of coffee.
Deal.
Good.
By the way,
Yes?
I forgot the meeting password.
Mark.
I know. I'm sorry.
Okay, don't worry. The password is Project 2025.
Got it.
Write it down so you don't forget.
I'm writing it now.
Good.
Thank you again.
You're welcome again.
You're very patient with me.
Only sometimes. Anything else?
No, I think that's everything.
Are you sure?
Yes, 99% sure.
What about the last 1%?
I'll call you again if I remember.
No. I'm joking.
You're funny.
Thank you.
All right. I'll let you go now.
Okay.
Thanks for helping.
Anytime.
Talk soon.
Talk soon.
Bye.
Bye.
That was part 2 of our phone call conversation.
In the next part, we'll practice a polite customer service phone call.
Many learners find this very useful.
So stay with us
We'll speak even slowly.
and show natural phrases you can use anytime.
Ready for part 3?
Let's do it.
Take a deep breath
Relax and listen.
and repeat if you want to practice speaking.
Repetition builds confidence.
Exactly.
Okay, here we go again.
Another phone call
Another situation.
and more helpful English.
Let's begin.
Part 3 starts now. Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Smart Mobile Services.
Hi, good afternoon. I need some help with my phone bill. Sure, I can help with that. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Mark Watson.
Thank you, Mr. Watson. Could you please tell me the issue?
Yes, I think my bill is too high this month.
I understand. Let me check your account.
All right,
Please hold for a moment.
sure.
Thank you for waiting. I see the problem now.
Oh, what happened?
It looks like you used extra mobile data this month.
Extra data?
Yes, about 8 gigabytes more than your plan.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
It happens sometimes.
Is there any way to reduce the bill?
Let me check. Yes, I can offer you a discount for this month.
Really? That would be great.
I can reduce the extra charges by 30%.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And how can I avoid this problem next time?
You can turn on data limit on your phone. It will warn you before you use too much.
That's helpful.
Or you can upgrade your data plan.
How much is the upgrade?
It's $5 more per month.
That's not too bad.
Many customers choose that option.
Let me think about it.
Sure, take your time.
For now, I'll keep the same plan.
No problem.
Thank you for helping me today.
It's my pleasure.
You've been very kind.
Thank you. I'm happy to assist.
That's all I needed.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything.
All right. Thank you for calling Smart Mobile Services.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Bye. And that brings us to the end of part 3.
We hope you enjoyed these phone call examples.
Phone conversations can feel difficult at first,
But with practice, they become very easy.
and the phrases we use today are simple and useful.
You can use them in real life anytime.
Now, we'll do a quick review.
Yes, let's go over some key phrases.
Repeat after us if you want to practice.
Repeating will help you remember.
Let's get started.
Ready?
Here we go.
Hello. Can you hear me clearly?
I'm calling to ask about the meeting.
What time does it start?
Should I bring anything?
My laptop won't turn on.
Try plugging it in again.
I can't find the link.
Check your spam folder.
Can you help me with my phone bill?
Please hold for a moment.
Thank you for waiting.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Now, let's practice speaking together.
We will say a phrase. You repeat after us.
Nice and slow.
Let's begin.
Hello. Can you hear me clearly?
I'm calling to ask about the meeting.
What time does it start?
Should I bring anything?
My laptop won't turn on.
Try plugging it in again.
I can't find the link.
Check your spam folder.
Can you help me with my phone bill?
Please hold for a moment.
Thank you for waiting.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Great job practicing with us today.
Phone calls can feel scary at first.
But with practice, they become very simple.
And the phrases we use today are perfect for real life.
You can use them at work.
At home or with customer service.
Just remember to speak slowly and politely.
And don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn faster.
Exactly.
Thank you for joining us today.
We had a great time with you.
And we hope this conversation was helpful.
Come back tomorrow for another easy English talk.
And keep practicing a little every day.
You will improve step by step.
That's our promise.
Learn English with real conversations.
And learn with confidence.
Until next time,
Take care.
and keep learning.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Chat.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the like button.
It helps the channel grow.
Share this video with a friend.
Someone who wants to improve English.
We appreciate your support.
See you in the next lesson.